Hi, welcome to Nichecraft. My name is Kassi and I am your host. So I am totally spoiling you this Monday and I have another mystery box to open. But this one, I decided to do two today because I had multiple mystery boxes to open, and also because this one ended up coming in a smaller package than I expected. And so I have my regular mystery box and then I have this little mini mystery box Monday. All right, so before I begin, I want to remind everybody that I have a giveaway up right now, so make sure that you find that after you watch this video and enter. And I also wanted to remind you guys that it means so much to me, all the support that you guys have shown me. So if you can, go ahead and like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and leave me comments letting me know how I'm doing. That is always so appreciated. All right, guys. Now I'm going to get back to this mystery box. So this comes from a small shop called Le Mouton Rouge. And what that means is the red sheep in French. Now, I don't know how to speak French, so I don't know if I pronounced that very well, but that's what that means. And that yarn, that knittery, it's actually called Le Mouton Rouge Knittery, is run by Kelly. And I have had some really, really great packages from them when I've ordered their mystery boxes. I have ordered two before. One of them was a $100 mystery box, and for the little 10-word prompt that you give them for them to shop for you, I said, I want to make a blanket, you pick the colors. And for the $50 mystery box I've ordered in the past, I said, surprise me. All right, so in the surprise me, I got two beautiful skeins of yarn, or they were hanks of yarn, that were hand dyed, just absolutely gorgeous. And in the I want to make a blanket, you pick the colors, I got a whole bunch of Cascade superwash in a it was a 3 weight, and I ended up making a granny square blanket out of that. Now I'm still joining the grannies, and the reason that I have not shared that with the channel yet is that I want to do a tutorial on how to make that particular granny square. I have not put that on my channel yet, so when I have that all seamed together, then I will definitely share that with you guys. But you're here for this mystery box, so let's open it. All right, so when I ordered from them this time, I said, this is a $100 box, and I said, yarn that is named after flowers or a plant. So, let's see what they decided to give me. First, I'm going to take out my receipt and see if they say anything. It says, hope you enjoy, Kelly. And this was a $100 box. Yeah, mystery box with yarn named after flowers or plants. And seriously, guys, I ordered this on the 31st, okay? And it's already here. I mean, that is super fast shipping. And they're in Illinois, and I'm in Arkansas, so really fast shipping. So this first one, wow, this is beautiful. All right, so this is a hand-painted yarn, and this is named... Oh my goodness. Oh, it's named Cornflower. I couldn't read that. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot about the orientation there. I couldn't read that. But it says Cornflower, very obviously. That is beautiful. It's not just the color of the flower, but also the leaves. Oh gosh. This is really pretty. All right. Here's another one. Oh, wow. It's the same brand, which is Crazy Foot. The price tag says $27 on it. And this is called Gooseberry. Isn't that neat? I like how these two also go together really well, too. Oh, wow, that is so pretty. And these are hand painted, too. Oh, wow. I am really, really stunned. This company has never disappointed me with a mystery box. I mean, you know, and something about getting mystery boxes, there's more. I just want to say something about getting mystery boxes is that you've got to order them with the idea that you're probably going to break even, you know. Sometimes you get lucky and you get a really, really great deal. And sometimes you end up paying more for the bag than it's actually retailing for. And sometimes you break even. But generally with this particular company, they've always sent me very, very expensive, beautiful yarns. And again, yarns that I would not have tried otherwise. This is a gorgeous color pink. It's also the same kind. It's the crazy foot yarn, $27 for here. And this is called Tea Rose. That is a gorgeous pink. Is that not just gorgeous? Wow. And I have one more. It's also a crazy foot yarn. So I've got a whole bunch. That is so pretty. Look at all of those colors in that yarn. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. Wow. So this one is called Azalea. Oh my goodness. That's so gorgeous. I just want to make sure you guys can see all of that color. Hand painted yarn. It's got blues and purples and reds and plums. That plum color. I don't even feel like, and of course, beautiful green. It gets really, really deep right there. See? Look at that. Wow. Oh, wow. That is so pretty. So, this is the yarn I made out with. Pretty exciting, isn't it? Yeah, I am definitely very happy with my purchase. With this being $27 a piece, they sent me more yarn than I paid for, because I paid $100 for this, and that includes shipping. I mean, they paid shipping for me too, so you got to keep that in mind as well. So the total I paid for this was $100 straight. They sent it to me super fast, and they sent me these 4 beautiful hanks of yarn, all of it worth more than $100. I cannot tell you how happy I am with this. Oh gosh, these are so pretty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link to this shop in my description. So if you want to go ahead and order something from them, you can. And I would definitely recommend them, especially if you like what you see. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this with your friends if you think they'd like it. And again, I've got those giveaways up, so make sure you get yourself entered into them. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you later. Bye.